Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s Skincare. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great face yoga massage exercises for those under eye wrinkles, eye bags and puffy eyes. We're going to do some great massage with the fingers, and we're also going to be finishing off with the all important lymphatic drainage massage release at the end. Now, first things first, I do like to start with clean skin. I'm using, as always, a facial oil here, but if you have a face cream or even better, an eye cream, that's great too. Just something so you've got a bit of slip and glide to the skin so you're not dragging and pulling at it. And also, for an added bonus, whatever you do apply to your skin is going to penetrate into the skin even better and deeper doing these massage exercises. So I've got a rosehip oil here. And I'm just going to apply just a couple of drops to the fingers and then just massaging into the fingers and then just gently apply under the eye. Now, when I do apply a facial oil to the eyes or an eye cream, I always work where the bone is, because whatever we apply under the eyes here is going to literally draw up like blotting paper up into the eye. So you don't need to go right up to the eyelashes. So just where the bone is, just here. Just gently patting. Skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate. And then just above the eyes. And then not forgetting under the eyebrows as well. And then I just like to place a little bit of the oil just by the side of the ears and then just down the side of the neck. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the ring finger because we have a lighter touch, and I'm just first of all just gently tapping between the eyes. What we're doing here, we're getting blood flow and circulation to the area, and then just very gently moving down and then slowly along where the bone is under the eyes. Now, where the pupil is, if you come down, we have a great acupressure point here, so you can give that a few extra taps. And then just slowly glide, work along towards the temples. And then just above the eyebrows. And then with the fingers, just very first of all, just glide in an outwards motion, light, delicate touch. And then above the eyebrows. So the exercise we're going to do, we're going to take our thumbs, place them where the bone is under the eyes, and then the fingers above, and we're just gently going to squint our eyes whilst holding our fingers in place, and you should feel a contraction on the eyes. So just gently squeezing up. And your eyes should almost tremble, your eyelashes, when you get to almost closing. Let's do this another 2 times. And again, just glide it out with the ring finger under the bone and above the eyebrows. With the fingers now, I'm placing them where the bone is under the eyes, and I'm just gently, almost in a wave-like motion, moving in an outwards motion towards the temples here. I always have to remember to keep my shoulders down. It's very easy to hoik them up, so try to keep your face nice and relaxed and your shoulders nice and relaxed as well. And one last time. So let's do another exercise now. So again, placing our thumbs where the bone is here, and then now we're going to take our fingers under our eyebrows here, and then we're going to do the same again. We're just gently going to look down and flutter, look down, flutter, look down, and again, and one last time. And then again, just gently glide it out. And then not forgetting to glide under the eyebrows here. Very, very light, delicate touch here. And then again, placing the hands under the eyes, just gently, as we did previously. Slight outwards wave motion. And one last time. So let's do our third exercise for the eyes as well to really help strengthen the muscles around the eyes. And place my thumbs under my eyes, fingers above. And that what we're going to do now, we're just going to look up and flutter our eyes looking upwards. Come down and again, up and down, and then again up and then down, and then again just gently gliding all along under the eyebrows, and then also above the eyebrows, and then under the eyes. Now what we're doing here, because this is a feather-light touch, we're actually moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so we're moving everything in an outwards motion. So again, lifting up and then just gently gliding, and a little bit more underneath here, and then under the eyebrows. And sometimes we can get a little bit of puffiness under the eyes where toxins and again have actually accumulated in this area. So moving everything just gently along. And then taking the fingers, I'm just very carefully just gliding now from the temples and then down to the side of the ears. And then you want to work behind the ears as well. We have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so we really are moving everything downwards. And then taking the fingers almost into a V shape, placing some fingers in front, fingers behind the ears, and just gently glide down. And then glide down the big SCM muscle either side of the neck here. I always want to swallow at this point. Nice and light. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations here. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the eye area into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And I have actually produced a really great course on Udemy, and I'll put the link in the description box down below if you're interested in that. Love to see you there, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.